that I ever go to. A degree after that. I'm with Lena, and she's been like my best friend like the past 3 years, like since I've been here in Hubli. And
sister, bro, sister.
she literally used to pick me up every single morning and we used to go to college together. We used to do everything.
Morning call also I used to
Morning calls also, like to wake me up. Like we go way back. And so right now we are at Drink Lab, and we're getting like I'm getting a banana lassi, and she's getting a chocolate revolution. So waiting on that. So I'm gonna show you the place right now. That we went to this place called Oaks and we tried the dahi puri
and pav bhaji, cheese pav bhaji.
And we tried this like after exams, and trust me, we went every single day for like 3 consecutive days. It was crazy.
It was hectic.
Come. I wish we didn't have the straws. We were like.
That is what even I was telling you before.
You want to play dandiya with what?
These straws, bro.
Well, we're using it to drink.
That's what I said you before putting it into your glass. But you didn't listen to me, bro.
Isn't she adorable, guys? If you're ever in Hubli or anywhere else, I don't know if they have the same outlet anywhere else. Do they?
They have.
Where?
It's like a franchise.
Is it in Bangalore?
I don't know about it, but it is a franchise.
Oh, okay. So if you ever see Drink Lab, you should definitely go check it out. I highly recommend. So I got the banana twist lassi, which is really nice. It's like a banana lassi, and it has like pieces of banana inside. And she's gotten chocolate revolution.
Oh, you remember it?
Yeah.
I did not even
Because I'm the one who told you to try it. She got that. I tasted it. It's really good. So this place is definitely a place you should check out. So yeah. Do you recommend, Lena?
I'm busy drinking.
But do you recommend?
9 out of 10, bro.
So we're finally home, and Lena is very shameless, okay? So she convinced me to have sip up after having the lassi at Drink Lab.
Seriously, Whitney, you told me I was getting home back. You were like, I want sip up, I want sip up. I was like, after drinking so much. Such a liar you are.
Lies, such lies. Anyways, we're back home, and we went to college first. Actually, I didn't vlog that part because I just assumed. Yeah, I mean it's college, so.
We both did not like.
Yeah, so I was just like, nah, there's no point. I saw my favorite teacher in the world did not say hi, and Divya, if you're watching this, you know which teacher I'm talking about. So yeah. So dramatic. Look at this. Look at this one, shameless.
Don't eat. I eat yours also. It's tasty.
Excuse me. So we just finished having lunch, and as you can tell, we had paratha and curd. Like I said before, her mom knew just what I wanted, and she made parathas, and she just asked me to see if I, wanted anything else. So full right now. Probably gonna take a nap. So yeah. So guys, I just woke up. She didn't sleep. So we're going out to get dahi puri because that's my favorite thing. And yeah. So guys, this is the dahi puri that I've been waiting for the whole day. That's Lena. She said she's not gonna have any, but she's definitely having.
No,
And yeah, it looks so nice. So basically, this is the puri. There's dai inside. There's some mixture.
Aloo masala.
Yeah, aloo masala. And what's the shave? Shaved coriander. And it tastes good. Yeah, okay. Okay guys, so we are at Shahi Darbar and it's a really good place. Like I had like some really good and a really good cone over here. Something that I never expected, to be honest. And it actually tasted like gelato, but it's not gelato. So that's just something that surprised me. And the prices are pretty good. What do you have to say, Tina?
I've been like twice. It's like we try, so I'm actually loving it.
Yeah, so the one that I got is Ferrero Crunch. You guys know Ferrero Rocher is my favorite chocolate, so I just had Ferrero Crunch. She went with dark chocolate.
Madagascar fine chocolate.
She went with that. It tastes good, but it's just like if you're a person that likes dark chocolate and just like everything chocolate, that's the one for you. I don't like too much chocolate like that. So one fascinating thing about this place is that it actually has like these lights and they light up according to the song, which I feel is so fascinating. Put in some clip right here, so you guys can see like the bulbs are like going according to the song, which is pretty cool. I'm not sure if you guys can hear the song, but Selena, how are you feeling about me leaving tonight?
Very bad. Very bad.
So actually we both have our birthdays in November. Hers is on the 4th and mine is on the 23rd. So the thing is, I've got exams till the 9th, so I actually wanted to come and see her, but I don't think that'll be possible. So maybe I could come down for my birthday and we can celebrate our birthdays together. Having said that, yeah, I know, I will. Having said that, we were both pretty shameless today. Like, we did a lot of things. Like, in the morning, we went to the drink lab. We had, I had lassi, she had a shake. We went home and then we had, wait, what am I saying? In the morning, we had unlucky. Then we went to college and then we had the lassi, she had the shake. Then we had parathas. Oh, we had sip-ups. Then after that, we went home, we slept, we woke up and we had parathas. And then we went to have dahi puri, but I had dahi puri. And I, being as shameless as I am, I followed her and came here and had ice cream. And now we're gonna go back home and have kaman. Your mom is gonna kill us. So the thing is, I really like kaman, so her mom made kaman especially for me. So that's like what we're having for dinner before I leave. So bye guys. The reason I'm smiling is because we're eating again.
How much you eat? You're a bukkad, Whitney.
Shut up.
Bukkad.
So like I was telling you guys, Nina's mom made me kaman. That's what it looks like. It's so tasty and it's my favorite meal ever. I was forced to eat it with me. We're having it with ketchup. That's what we're having. So we're gonna eat now. I think this is like the 8th time we're eating today. Guys,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times.
7th time we're eating today. And yeah.
7,500. It's like a kg. What? I eat so nicely that you're making a video of mine. Okay.
So to Bombay. So we are like, I think 10 minutes away. Yeah, so 10 minutes away, and she's actually coming to Mumbai next week because her brother is getting married actually next year in Feb, which I'm invited to, and it's not even my wedding, but I'm like so excited to wear like a lehenga and something and just like
Indian ethnic wear.
yeah. Like at first I was thinking of wearing a sari, but just like nah, I'll be too uncomfortable. I'll just wear a lehenga.
I will not even not wear the sari. What are you talking about yourself?
So like I need to like head back to Goa because her mom is gonna talk to my mom about sending me for the wedding. It's gonna be like an official invitation. So that's that. And yeah, it feels weird though, like being with you for
Miles
3
away.
years. Yeah, and then now being miles away from each other. It feels so weird. So you wanna say bye to her? And yeah, I'm so sad to tell you bye, but I'm not gonna say you bye. Yeah, I wanna say bye because I'm sure I'm gonna see you again.
See you again.
Yeah, so we're not saying bye, but I am gonna close this vlog right here. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed all the food that we ate.
Please like, share and subscribe to Whitney's channel.
Yes, do that. And in case you're wondering, the food was delicious.
And comment down below which food is your favorite.